Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Alish Beauty. So guys, in today's video I will talk about a skincare ingredient that helps make your skin glowing and bright. Guess what? Yes, I'm talking about vitamin C serum. So guys, if your skin has become dull and you have dark spot on your face and are bothered by uneven texture, then vitamin C can be a game changer for your skin if you use it correctly. So let's see what the benefits of vitamin C are, how to use it correctly, and what things we need to keep in mind while using vitamin C serum. So let's get started. So first of all, it is very important to know that what vitamin C is. So vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps brighten the skin, reduces the appearance of dark spot, and boost collagen production. Vitamin C brightens the skin and gives the face a glow, and it gradually reduces hyperpigmentation and dark spot, which makes your skin tone more even. It boosts collagen production, makes your skin tight and youthful, and it protects against environmental damage such as effects of pollution and UV rays. So now let's talk about how to use it. So there is a specific way to use it to get maximum benefit. First, wash your face with a mild cleanser and then apply vitamin C to your clean face. Take 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C on your fingertip and dab it so that it gets absorbed into your skin. Be sure not to apply it near your eyes. So guys, if you use it during the day, definitely use sunscreen, otherwise it may increases skin sensitivity. And vitamin C generally useful for all skin type, whether dry skin, combination or oily, but people with sensitive skin should definitely do a patch test first. Now we will talk about a few things you need to keep in mind while using vitamin C. The first one, as I told you, that if you are using it in the morning, then you must apply sunscreen, because vitamin C can react with the sun exposure and make your skin more sensitive. Second, whenever you use vitamin C, make sure to apply moisturizer, because vitamin C does not hydrate your skin. It works inside the skin by reducing dark spot and brightening it. So skin needs moisturization and hydration, to make sure to apply the moisturizer after application of vitamin C on your face. Third, if you use vitamin C serum with other strong active ingredient like retinol, AHAs, BHAs, then it can increase skin sensitivity and irritation. So don't use all these ingredients at the same time. Fourth, vitamin C oxidizes quickly if not stored properly, so always store it in a cool and dark place. So guys, these are the things which you need to keep in mind while using vitamin C. So include vitamin C in your daily routine, and you will notice a difference over a time. So guys, that was a detailed video about vitamin C, and if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comments which vitamin C are you using in your daily routine. So thanks for watching. Bye, see you in next video.